Get ready for an epic showdown. It's the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, two titans of technology, battling it out for zoom supremacy. In this corner we have Apple's latest flagship, boasting a powerful 48-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. And in the other corner the challenger, Samsung's powerhouse with a monstrous 200-megapixel main sensor and dual periscope telephoto lenses. Who will emerge victorious in this battle of the lenses? We'll be putting both phones through their paces, testing their zoom capabilities across various scenarios, from close-ups to extreme long-range shots. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of optical zoom, hybrid zoom, and digital zoom, examining image quality, detail retention, and overall performance. So buckle up and prepare to witness a photographic face-off for the ages. Before we dive into the action, let's take a closer look at the weapons in each phone's arsenal. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a triple camera system headlined by a 48-megapixel main sensor. Its secret weapon? A 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens capable of 5 times optical zoom. On the other side, the Galaxy S24 Ultra counters with a quad-camera setup. It packs a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel primary sensor, but the real star of the show is its dual periscope telephoto system. This setup allows for incredible zoom capabilities, reaching far beyond what the iPhone can achieve. But it's not just about megapixels and lens configurations. Both phones come armed with advanced image processing software and artificial intelligence algorithms that play a crucial role in enhancing zoom performance. Apple's computational photography prowess is well documented, with its smart HDR and deep fusion technologies promising exceptional clarity and detail. Samsung, meanwhile, has made significant strides in AI-powered image enhancement, particularly with its super-resolution zoom feature. Our first test takes us into the realm of optical zoom, where both phones utilize their periscope lenses to magnify the scene without sacrificing image quality. At 5 times zoom, both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra deliver impressive results. Images are sharp, with excellent detail retention and accurate color reproduction. The iPhone produces images with a slightly warmer tone, while the Galaxy tends towards a cooler, more neutral color palette. Zooming in on fine details, we notice the iPhone's images exhibit a touch more sharpness, especially around the edges of objects. The Galaxy, however, holds its own, producing photos that are more than good enough for sharing and printing. As we push the zoom level further to 10 times, we enter the realm of hybrid zoom. Here, both phones combine optical zoom with digital zoom and AI processing to bridge the gap and magnify the scene. The iPhone 16 Pro Max relies on its sensor shift stabilization and deep fusion technology to maintain image clarity and minimize noise. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, leverages its dual periscope system and AI-powered super-resolution zoom to achieve similar results. At 10 times hybrid zoom, both phones continue to impress. Images remain usable for social media and even small prints, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra exhibiting a slight edge in detail retention, thanks to its larger sensor size and advanced AI upscaling. Section 5. Pushing the limits: 30 times, 50 times, and 100 times zoom. Now, things are about to get extreme. We're venturing into the uncharted territory of 30 times, 50 times, and even 100 times digital zoom. This is where the limitations of smartphone optics become truly apparent. At these extreme zoom levels, both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra struggle to maintain image quality. Details become mushy, noise starts to creep in, and colors lose their vibrancy. However, for casual snaps and social media sharing, these extreme zoom levels can still be quite fun. The ability to capture distant subjects that would otherwise be impossible to photograph with a smartphone is a testament to how far mobile photography has come. Section 6. Neon Nights Low-Light Zoom Shootout. Our final test takes us into the heart of the city as the sun begins to set. It's time for a low-light zoom shootout, where we'll be capturing the vibrant glow of neon signs and the twinkling lights of the distant skyline. Both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra are equipped with dedicated night modes that work in conjunction with their zoom lenses. In this scenario, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's larger sensor size and dual periscope system give it a noticeable advantage. Images are brighter, with better detail retention and less noise compared to the iPhone. The iPhone's night mode photos, while still impressive, appear slightly darker and softer in detail. Section 7. Image stabilization. Steady as a rock. Zoom performance isn't just about optics and image processing. Image stabilization plays a crucial role, especially at higher zoom levels. Both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra feature advanced stabilization technologies to combat handshake and keep your shots steady. The iPhone boasts sensor shift stabilization, which physically moves the sensor to compensate for movement. The Galaxy S24 Ultra counters with optical image stabilization, or OIS, on its telephoto lenses, combined with electronic image stabilization, or EIS, for added stability. In our tests, both phones excelled at keeping zoomed-in shots steady, even when shooting handheld at higher zoom levels. Section 8, and the winner is. After putting both phones through their paces, it's clear that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as the zoom champion. Its dual periscope telephoto system, coupled with its massive 200-megapixel sensor, delivers superior zoom performance across the board. From 5 times optical zoom to extreme digital zoom, the Galaxy S24 Ultra consistently captures more detail, exhibits better low-light performance, and offers greater flexibility. However, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is no slouch. Its 5 times optical zoom and hybrid zoom capabilities are still mighty impressive, producing excellent image quality and holding their own against the competition. For everyday use and casual zoom photography, the iPhone remains an excellent choice. Section 9. Join the Zoom revolution. The battle for zoom supremacy rages on, pushing the boundaries of smartphone photography further than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a casual snapper, the zoom capabilities of these flagship phones open up a world of creative possibilities. So grab your phone, explore the world around you, and capture those breathtaking zoom shots that were once only possible with dedicated cameras. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra zoom capabilities? Which phone do you think takes the crown? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the zoom revolution.